Habashim banta ha kajing atai Halor kajing kran ulat kajala Meghalaya ha kasngi baar ka dorbar mangtingka jong ka yung dorbar thawan kajala ha ka laitre ulber arja apusan u Dr. Mukul sangma MLA ka All India Trinamool Congress na songsak paru nong ilam kalyang persya ula kran Bniah Halor ka Rukom long ka Rukom Pyntreikam ka tanat ka kot ka khya ka sarkar jala Ulaong baka Rukom Pyntreikam ya ka Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme MHIS kam don ka jing ken ka Bniah bat kinu ki banta jing sumar baka Pyntreikam bat ka long kumbariam ya ki basya sumar Ulaong baka Rukom Pyntreikam ya ka MHIS ka long kumbaai da ka blank check bat banweng ya kini ki jing ya tengko jing ki baka sarkar kaman ula kenturu ya ka menteri badai khmi ya ka tanat ka kot ka khya ban khot lang sya ki jing ya lang ya ki badan ha kalyang persya ban ya kran kumno ban kentiu ya ka kot ka khya
I believe everyone in this August House will agree with me that the cost of healthcare facilities for the people has become unaffordable. Yes, we have comprehensive, universal health insurance program to support the people, but we have gone wrong. I have cautioned in 2018-19 that when we implement this health insurance program, are we doing it in the right earnest? No, we are going in the wrong direction. Because having been author of this MHIS, I had the felt responsibility of sharing my concern while the implementation of the program was being done. I appreciate the Honorable Prime Minister acknowledged this initiative and in fact requested all the state governments to emulate this health insurance program. When the states delayed, he came up with his Ayushman Bharat. Today we are lucky that this program is there. But what has happened? This health insurance program has become more like an instrument for the hospitals to trap the patient parties. Because earlier, the patient parties who were reluctant to go to hospital because of not having the kind of resources and money, now because of the smart card they go. But after going they get trapped because the cost is not covered by the insurance amount. So this needs to be corrected. How do we correct? The common sense is that when we want to buy anything, we should know the price because we are paying. Now, does the department know what is the cost of cost being charged by the hospital concerned about appendectomy, about cholecystectomy, about any other disease which is covered, any other treatment, courses of treatment covered under the MHIS and the Ayushman Bharat? No. So it's as bad as giving a blank check to somebody and he draws it. Therefore, the cost of treatment has shown that continuous ascending order all across the country because both union government and the state government, we have failed to understand the complicacy associated with the implementation of this program. Can we correct it? Yes, but then you have to take on board Government of India. Otherwise, the cost of healthcare will shoot up so much. It will be beyond the capacity of the government to support. The whole premium of insurance will go on increasing and increasing. So these are issues. I think I would request the Honorable Minister in charge to call a meeting. I'll be there. Call others also. The officers who were involved in implementing at the initial stage, call them. We are there. Let us share. Therefore, these are crucial initiatives and these are linked with life and death of the people and economy of the people. People who have somehow crossed the barrier of poverty are slipping back.
Hagawai pat ka benta u Dr. Mukul sangma ula pasat jingmut ru Halor ka Lynti rel hagabaw laong badan kambha ya ka Ïathir Bniah bat omdai ban suya lambakla. Ulaong ban lat jing ting na ka jingwan rung kerthap ki mender dan kam ban Pyntreikam ya ka Meghalaya Residents Security and Safety Act arjar khatnrio ya ka ba ka sarkar MDA kalay kran ban penbet thamai.
Then what happened to the mention about railway lines? Railway lines. If we have been able to have that first alignment of Ïathir to Bniah without any opposition was there, but we addressed the concern. All the people of the state, including the groups who represent different vigilant, alert NGOs. What is their condition? They say that address the issue and concern of illegal immigration and uncontrolled influx. so that our demography does not get disturbed. Our population must not be disturbed because our Garo Khasi Jaintias, our population, are microscopic in terms of population. So kindly have a consultation and discussion. Meghalaya should not be seen as though Meghalaya is so scared of getting a railway line. When railway line is there connecting up to Mendi, eastern side we don't have, then what will be the convincing point by which we will be engaging ourselves with others when they ask questions? That in Khasi Hills you don't have, in Garo Hills you have. I have had the privilege of involving all the political parties. We came up with that robust law, which was an offshoot of collective engagement of all the political parties, MRSSA 2016. It is effective tool. Can you utilize it? I think what went wrong was because immediately in 2019, the government said that, okay, this act need to be further amended and improved, giving a perception that it is not good enough. It is good enough. Implement it first. Take everyone on board. Start consultation again. I would, through you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, urge the Chief Minister to call for an engagement and discussion with all concerned, including the oppositions. Let us discuss exhaustively and find a way. Otherwise, now you'll say, okay, instead of Bniah, we will take it to Kyrwoh. It is not the way to solve problem. If there are concerns, why cannot we address the concern? I think collectively we will overcome, Mr. Deputy Speaker. I am optimist on this, and I would like to urge the Chief Minister also to be optimist on this issue. Let us all put our heads together. Everybody has been on board, but let us bring them back on the board, and I think we can do wonders. The state has the potentiality. I have no doubt that that 10 billion economy achievable. I have no doubt. We believe in our people. We believe in the potentiality of the state.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.